company name is Solid Surfaces Incorporated. We fabricate and install high-end kitchen countertops, mainly solid surface materials as well as quartz and granite. We started in December of 1983. What we have out there is we really have two different shops all under one roof. There's the solid surface shop and then there's the stone shop. The solid surface shop uses less large equipment. It's a little bit more hands-on. It starts out from programming. They're actually programming the CNC machine to cut the shape of it. From there it goes to a different area. No real big equipment there, but the edges are glued on. So the material moves from the CNC to edging, and then it goes into another station where we call it trimming. It's mostly done with hand routers, again, no large equipment in there. And then from there it goes to QC. And then once QC approves it, it gets loaded onto just an A-frame cart, ready for the next morning. It gets loaded on the truck. The stone shop, that's a lot more heavy equipment. Same process though, same idea. All the rough slabs get put on. It's a twin table machine, and they get all cut by a computer-controlled saw. So once they come off of that machine, then they go on to the CNC machine. Very similar to the Corian one, but it also then profiles the edges. There still is that touch-up work. Small inside corners, things like that need to be polished by hand. After that, it goes to QC. It's a separate QC for stone. That water has to be recirculated, and it gets basically filtered out. And we filtered last year 1.4 million gallons of water through that shop.
Here at Solid Surfaces, we're committed to being environmentally friendly. We recycle our air here. All of our dust collection systems, which we have several, we bring it in, it's cleaned, and it's recirculated in the building.
It's the way that we put all the technology to work together. That's been the biggest difference. A lot of guys have CNC machines or really all the same equipment that we have, but not a lot of them are all making them work together quite the way that we do. And then when you add to that our management style, you really have a system that allows us to put out quality product every single day like clockwork, and it's just incredible. It's just amazing to watch it sometimes. We use a management system called synchronous flow, and it starts right out in the shop. We actually break our shop down into 3 different zones, and it's pretty simple. The red zone, the yellow zone, and the green zone. And in those zones, there's certain expectations of when things are going to be done so that we can tell whether a job is on schedule or not. What we do is we have people that are responsible for those individual zones, and they report on that every single day. In addition to that, we have some people reporting on our scheduling status, our estimating status, general workload. There's a bunch of things that we talk about. And that's how everybody in the company always is working on the right thing at the right time, and we have accountability established where we need it so that everybody is working together. It really comes down to the quality of the employees, the people that do this every day. And I got to tell you, I'm very fortunate that we have some of the best talent that you can find in this entire area, certainly in this industry. Some of our employees have been with us as much as 20 years. I don't know what else to say, but that's how I feel, really. It's like I am so fortunate, we really do. We have some great people here. What was that last question about the management? How important is that? Man, it's the people.